Hey, this is Charles from Orbis. Super excited to have you here. Just before we start the video, I just wanted to make a very short intro about us. OrbisDB is a relational database built for on-chain builders. Imagine Superbase, but combined with a distributed DB architecture. You have everything you need from authentication, a hosted database service, a crypto plugin store, a super flexible indexing system that lets you choose between SQL or GraphQL in order to query the information back to your app. Now let's see what we have for today. Today I wanted to share a bit more about a template that you can combine with OrbisDB. So this template has been created by Mark from Ceramic, very great one to basically see a forum, very simple one to create your identity. So authentication is part of it. You can create your first blog post. So you have multiple ways of seeing insert, but also select in order to query this information back to your app. So perfect way to start your journey on OrbisDB and see how it works within actual application. So we'll make it work together, following all the steps. It's pretty straightforward, and I hope it's going to be very easy for you to do it as well. So the first step will be to basically download this. I'll share the links all the links in the video. Okay, so now I have the repo open in my Cursor app, and basically let's check the first step. So first we'll do the installation of this. So let's go create. So I'll open a terminal here. Sudo pnpm install. So yeah, let's download all the packages. The second step will be basically to modify all the environments into this. So taking from this and transforming into the .env.local. So let's do that as soon as it's done. Okay, so the packages are completed now and downloaded. So let's see. So okay, so this is what we need to fill in. So there is a bunch of information. There is also two things external, like we need to connect with third web and what it connects, and we'll need also to connect with your OrbisDB instance. So we'll go through that all the way. So okay, now we have this file. I think the first step, we should create an auth secret here. It's just a command line. So let's grab it here. Okay. And okay, perfect. For this one and this one, basically you need to go both on third web console and what it connects, reown, I think is the new name now, dashboard. You'll be able to grab those information there. Also in the README, you have all the information like where you need to find those API keys. But yeah, you'll go through this. I'll do it after, just for the sake of confidentiality for those one. So let's go to the OrbisDB part now. So you know the path to go there. So the studio.useorbis.com. I'll use a brand new instance just for showing you the full journey there. So I need to configure the instance. Let's do that. Let's create a first project, my first forum even. I think it's better. Perfect. Let's see, nothing here, which is normal. And the thing that we need to do with OrbisDB is basically, so grabbing the environment ID. This one can be found in the landing page. So first page, the context page. So you can see here is my environment ID. So let's do that. Okay, clack. And now we need to create 3 tables for the 3 content types that we will find in the forum template. So we have a post, a comment, and a profile tables to create that will follow a specific schema. Those information are shared directly into the README here. Okay, so basically we just need to follow those. Okay, so very straightforward. We need to create a profile, comment, and post table. So you have a model builder directly built into the OrbisDB, so you don't even need to create anything by code, but just click and paste in here. So let's do that step by step. So let's create the model. Okay, this one is good. So it was the profile. And so basically let's put this directly here. Okay, now let's do the comment one. So string, datetime, string, okay. So the command created. Okay, now let's create the comment model and fill in there. Okay, next I need to create a post one. So let's do it again. Just for you to know, like if you go back in the data section and you'll be able to see the 2 new models that have been indexed and you'll see the tables there. Let's create the third one. Okay, that's good. So let's create it. Now we have a third model ID that we should be able to fit in here. Okay, and we need, the last one, we need a context ID. So the context ID is available in the context tab. Pretty easy, straightforward. You can check it here and put it there. Okay, so let me finish by adding those 2 and we'll be able to see what is happening after that. Okay, so now we can go back to this page and now we can do just pnpm dev. So let me go back there, pnpm dev. Okay, so let's start localhost. Okay, so now the form is now visible and basically we need to connect to wallets. So let's do that. Okay, let's sign in one message just to prove that we created a deed and lets you create and modify your profile, share posts, etc. So that's it. So now let's edit the profile. Okay, so now we can put the name. So let's say it's Charles. My username is Charlie, and I'm working at OrbisDB. Okay, saving the profile. It's saved. Let's go back to the home page. Okay, now it's showing this. Let's check on our database that the information has been filled in. So my profile, okay, Charles, Charlie, description. I have a bunch of information here. And okay, I can create a post. Let's do that. My first post. Hello everyone, excited to be here. Publish the post. Okay, it's done. I go back and basically I can take this now. Same, let's go to the data section and basically I can see this too. So you have all the basics there. If you want, you can dig in and check how this template is using our insert function. So basically to insert new streams into your database, but also to select them. I don't want to go too deep in that. Basically, you can follow the repo and check it out openly. But yeah, it's really the perfect way to start your journey. Also, something that I wanted to mention is that there is a plugin store inside OrbisDB. And so you could, if you want, combine this template and the actions that is being done into the template with plugins. Imagine, for example, that you want an ENS domain resolver. So basically being able to see which, if someone is sharing a post, for example, if they have any ENS associated with their web address, basically you could here add this information into the plugins data. Again, this is why we are really a database built for on-chain developers, is that we have all the tools available here that could combine with your actual data. Everything is available in this GitHub repository. You can play with it, start from this fork and try to build yours. But yeah, I think it's super cool to start your journey in a distributed database in a very easy way through a app template. Thanks for your time. Cheers, guys.